Mira, ese se cayó sentada. Me muero. ¿Cómo? Hello everyone and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 25. This is our last day of Vlogmas and we're on our way to go tubing and sledding. And Josiah almost ate shit. I saw him. Guys, do you see why everyone is sitting down? It's because we're exhausted. We tried going that way and all the snow was so soft all the way to our knees and we took like half an hour to get out of it. But right now we're having the kids slide down this little hill. Elmo made them some custom little steps for them. Here's my king. Joseph, those are Reaper chips. Are you gonna eat Reaper chips? Let's see. Okay, he's gonna do the thumbnail. Let me see. Look. A ver, ¿cómo se llama la bolsa? A ver. Look, your son's eating Reapers.
Hey, bring the waters.
Look, babe, he's eating Reaper chips.
Look at that car over there covered in snow.
Oh, yeah.
Dang. So we had like 6 feet of snow? Not even, look at this.
Kneecap. Did you tell him how we were looking for you, so we went that way?
Joseph, come here.
Did you tell him how we saw you from far away and we're like, oh, Jose's that way. So we just started walking towards you and we walked through all the soft snow and everybody got stuck.
I didn't want to go right here because there was a lot of people. And there's a shitload of us, so we would just take over the whole area.
And then we tried to cut. We're like, oh, hell no, we're not going to go through the soft snow. We're going to cut 6 feet of freaking snow. We had to jump it. We're going to go change Joseph's clothes because he got wet. And then we're going to go get some snacks. Wait. Look, Joseph got a new outfit.
Wow.
He's nice and dry. Now we're going to go look for snacks. And maybe some socks for Joseph. He loves acorns. Come on. And then I need to use the restroom. Come on, Joseph. Yeah. And I'm sweating. $15 mistake. Not bringing extra socks. $55 so you didn't bring gloves. Well, how much are these? $35. That's not that bad. Oh, but these are cute. What if I get him some new boots?
Those are, oh, they're kind of the same.
I don't know. Papi, you want Mama to get you some new ones?
He's like, I already have some.
Oh, yours? He don't care. He just wants his acorns. Mama can get you some new boots.
What are you gonna do?
Change the socks. Sit down, baby. Mama's gonna change her socks. No. Oh, my baby. His toes.
Joseph got new socks because his got wet.
Had to get big ones. Oh, you see the kiss his toes are cold.
Was it a small one?
Yes.
I think the other ones look smaller.
So this is waterproof. When you buy something, nothing, water or liquidy, should stick on it. See? Should fall. Joseph's suit said it was waterproof and it was not. He was soaking. Went through his pants, through his clothes and everything. The good thing is that I brought him this one, which is waterproof. So he's good. And now we're gonna go snack on some chippies because he wants some chips, huh, puppy? And I want a Red Bull. Where's your
don't have Red Bull.
Did he leave?
Come on, Joseph, let's go. Damn, we just about to see an accident.
You're cold now?
Look at this area.
There's Chochi over there making a snowman. Oh, they made a snowman. I have a scarf. We can make a snowman.
Where's it?
In the truck. Are you ready to build a snowman? Do you wanna build a snowman? Do you wanna build a snowman? Hi, losers! I don't know what to say because I'm so winded. It's not that I'm out of shape, because I am. It's the whole elevation. Like, you walk a block and it feels like you walk two. I'm not even kidding. So now we're talking. Kids have their snacks and juices, and so do the adults.
I only got one drink.
Oh, a small one. I was limited. Hija de la chingada, I thought she was kidding. She is not. Mala. Mira esa también. A ver, dame una. ¿Cuál? ¿Truly or White Claw? Let me do a Truly. Mira esa también. ¿Qué pasó allá?
My mom fell.
Mira, esa se cayó sentada. Me muero. ¿Cómo?
No mames, todavía no he tomado.
Mamá, está sentada. ¿Cómo te cayó? Thanks. Blueberry, azaí, hasta soy healthy. Ay, no puedo. We're gonna make a snowman right now, guys. Who's down?
Joseph, can you give me? Me and Natalie just made one.
Go for it, Joseph. Oh, dang. Look at Tate. Oh.
Can I sit where you're sitting? Go. Is that where my helmet is?
Snowman. Snowman.
Okay. You did the split, queen. You should tell my mom. She wanted a picture. I'm listening. I said you were there.
There goes Tate. There goes Tate. Tate.
I was like, just stay there. They have this for sale too at $30.
How much? 30. It's snowman time.
Look.
I'm exercising. Say bye, snowman. Bye. Say bye to the snowman. Go give the snowman a kiss.
Dale un kiss. Dale un kiss.
Bye-bye. I had to catch my nose back. Okay.
Go give the snowman kisses. It's a wrap here. We are leaving back to the cabin because we're tired. Oh, how rude. Nobody picked up my stuff. Look at the little snowman. There goes the hubby and Joseph. They're gonna partirse su puta madre. I have to record him. They didn't fall. All right, guys. So we'll see you at the cabins. All right, guys. So we just made it. Actually, we didn't just make it. We have been at the cabin. We already ate dinner, and I was planning on vlogging a little more, but everybody's tired. Everybody wants to take nappies because we're tired. I want to say, I think I'm going to end the vlog here, and I want to say thank you for sticking up with us for the whole 25 days of Vlogmas. We didn't miss one day. I don't know what you guys want after this. Let me know in the comment section. Like, what do you guys want to see from me? Do you guys want more vlogs? Do you guys want full cooking videos? Like, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow me on everything. And that's it, guys. Bye.